What is up, guys? Welcome back to Kicking It with Kimbo. My name is Kimberly, aka Kimbo, and this is my channel. And as you can see, this week my setup is kind of different. I kind of just wanted to try something new, and if anybody is a Shane Dawson fan, some of his videos are kind of like in this position where he's like super close to the camera, but I think he's like way closer than I am. He gets really close. But anyways, yeah, so I wanted to try something new. Also, if you're watching this video and you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It'll definitely be greatly appreciated. And this week, I'm going to be doing a video on the invisible wall challenge with my cats. And I was really excited to do this because I was like, my cats are funny as fuck and I really wanted to do something with them. So let's get started. Hello everybody, meet Mittens. Mittens is the first cat that I ever got. Honestly, when I first got him, we just automatically became best friends. So yeah, Mr. Mittens, this is him. Say hi everybody. He's just like, what? Mittens is such a cuddly and funny and like, just, I don't know, such a sweet cat. He's super like social with people and everything like that. He is just like, he's the best cat ever. Hello everybody, meet Morty. You guys met her in one of my other videos. Morty is my second cat. She isn't even 1 year old yet. She's like, I think 9-10 months, something like that. Her full name is Morticia, but I just call her Morty for short. But Morty is definitely the sassy one. Morty only wants cuddles when she comes to you. You don't come to her for cuddles or like pets and stuff, because she's just like, I don't want to be bothered. Like right now, honestly, she doesn't even want to be bothered. She's so pretty though. Look at her. She's adorable. Look at her. I'm sorry, Morty. Morty made it! Mittens, you can do it, son. Come on, Mittens. Show the camera what they've been waiting for. Come on, Mittens. Good job, Buzz. Good job. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, whatever. I'll see you guys next week. Goodbye.